Hello my friend, today I want to show you how to open a remote control like this for battery change, replace of battery. I have searching on internet because I had the same problem and I have not found any video on net. So I hope this will help you to change the cell battery without damaging the remote control. You need a tool like this or anyone who have a little nozzle. You have to put this tool or tool like this in this hole gently and pull upward. Maybe I need some other tool to keep it on open position. I hope I will manage it. Okay. I think this the guitar tool will help to manage this box, remote control box. You have to pull little bit and take a guitar pick under and go around. So here you can change battery. This battery is there is one clip and side clip that hold the button side and the cover together. After you can pull out battery easily. And to manage this button and the case cover, you have to need some little bit of tape, because this button will fall down if you not use a bit of tape. Here you can manage like this, and this side to same as the hole. It is simply job, and remote control is working. Thank you for watching. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.